Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista, kwentuhan, balitang karera with Bossing Arriba King. For today's video ay pagkwentuhan po natin itong naganap na karera nung araw ng linggo kung saan ay ito nga po si Pirate sa kay ni Jeffrey Zarate ay natalo. Talagang marami pong nagalit, maraming hindi natuwa at ganun din po dito kay Super Majority na nagkarga halos ng kulang-kulang 6 na milyon sa winner take all na may grossing 11 million ay talagang medyo masama din po ang itinakbo at halos dumating lang ng panglima bayang karerista, talagang hindi naging mabuti. Kaya alam nyo naman sa mga bayang karerista natin wala na pong makakaila sa ganyan at talagang napakarami pong masasamang mga comment. Talagang marami pong mga bad comment, bad post sa social media, sa Facebook at talaga pong medyo iba talaga ang bayang karerista, lalo na yung mga natalo. At meron ding mga naman nagsasabi na ito si Pirate at si Daily Burn. Mayroon pang nagsasabi na mag-isang kwadra lang daw. Kaya ganun, sobrang dihado talaga to si Daily Burn dahil 1,200 nga lang ang karga nito sa winner take all at talagang pinakadihado yata si Daily Burn dahil nga tinalo na siya ni Pirate nung nakakaraang laban bayang karerista. Hindi ako July 5 alam ko naglaban na din niya si Pirate at si Daily Burn at nandun din si Andiamo Pirensi at si Pirate nga po ang nagwagi doon at talagang halos hindi naman din nakaporma si Daily Burn. At hindi na una bayang karerista kay Pirate. Kaya talagang nalyamado nga to. At syempre ganun talaga. At tingnan po natin yung laban nila. Yung nung tinalo ni Pirate si Daily Burn. Pumorkas lang si Daily Burn. Maganda rin po yun. Tara, let's go.
And the gates crashed back. They're racing left in a good line after all that, and Shibumi Pink came out quickly. Legitify showing good speed. Andy Amo A Forense is spitting up on the inside. Back in fourth spot. Then in the blue jacket is Pirate. Fifth on the inside of him is Daily Burn. At the tail of the field is Raygard Girls. Only about 5-6 lengths top to bottom as they sail by the 800 metres. Andy Amo A Forense went through on the inside. He's a narrow leader from Legitify. In third with a drop on them is Pirate, and out a little bit deep then Shiver Me Pink in the blue jacket with the black cap. Here's Raygard Girls is starting to get into the race very early and scoot around the outside, and back at the tail of the field now Daily Burn. Hotly contested race as they run towards the home turn. Around about 450 left to travel, and scooting through on the inside Pirate takes a narrow lead. Andy Amo A Forense, Legitify, Daily Burn coming through on the inside as they run to the 200 metres. Pirate a narrow leader, Daily Burn with the last crack at him. Nothing running on from the back. Pirate starting to edge away and full of running. Pirate races away. Pirate wins the first of the afternoon by 3 on the wire to Daily Burn. Close for third, Andy Amo A Forense, then Legitify, Shiver Me Pink, and
At yun nga po yung laban nila nun, July 5. Yun 1,200 meters pala yun sa Philippine Jockey Club din. At sila Shiver Me Pink pala nakakalaban nila dun at sila Legitify, Radiant Girls at nandun din si Andy Amo pero malayo-layo sila. 110 ang naitala pala ni Pirate doon at 110.4 naman si Daily Burn. Pero hindi na una si Daily Burn bayang karerista. Panoorin po natin bayang karerista yung linggo kung paano pong naiwanan si Pirate at ano pong pagkakaiba.
Off and racing. It's a good start for all 6 runners. Andiamo Aperense scraping the bait, takes the top spot against Manila the Bay, racing on the outside. Right behind him, third is Counter Attack. Daily Burn is riding in fourth, not on the inside. Red Pin in fifth. Last of all is the favorite Pirate, but not far behind, 7 to 8 lengths to make up. Down the backstretch run, Manila the Bay takes the top spot against Counter Attack. It's Manila the Bay, and here's a rack attack for Counter Attack, racing on the outside and catch the top spot now. Is Daily Bird moving into contention once again is Andiamo Firenze and takes the 5th spot now is the favorite Pirate. Last of all is Red Queen. Around the far turn, Daily Bird and Counter Attack matching their strides together in front and takes the 3rd spot now is Andiamo Firenze, and here's a big bounding strides now for Pirate, takes the 3rd spot now 400 meters out. Lady Bird keep on running strongly beside the rail. Counterattack fights on and tear up the stretch Pirate. And here's the search for Pirate racing on the outside, but Lady Bird is still keep on running against Pirate and counterattack once again fights on. It's Lady Bird and keep coming. It's Pirate counterattack. Lady Bird and counterattack. And here's the wire. Lady Bird upset winner. Beating counterattack and Pirate goes for second, followed by Andiamo at Firenze, Manila.
So yun, bayang karerista. At ayan oh, naiwanan nga po si Pirate. Ayan, bayang karerista. Halos nabugaw si Pirate pala dito at si Daily Burn na panglima. Si Andiamo Apirensi naman, umuna-una ng kaunti tapos umurong din. Apuratulak dito kay Andiamo samantalang ang tulin-tulin nito Apuratulak nung hineti. Di mo malaman to din si Andiamo Apirensi. Nabugaw po si Pirate dyan, bayang karerista. O, tignan nyo. At yan, si Daily Burn, nandyan na sa balya, nandyan na siya kagad. So, yan po yung naging pagkakaiba. Samantalang nung nakaraan, hindi na una si Daily Burn kay Pirate. At ito naman din si Andiamo Apirensi, ganun din. Umurong din. At dito si counterattack ang nakipagsabayan kay Daily Burn. At ayan nga po si Pirate na nandyan sa labas. Huli na ang lahat. At ito si counterattack, hindi rin makalampas-lampas kay Daily Burn, bayang karerista. Yan po si counterattack, bayang karerista, kamakailan. Daily Burn at counterattack, naglaban din yan, kailan lang din. Noong May lang din, at hindi naman din nakaporma si Daily Burn kay counterattack. Ibig sabihin pala, binawian ni Daily Burn si counterattack at si Pirate. Tara, panoorin natin yung labi ni counterattack at Daily Burn, bayang karerista. Nanalo si counterattack. Kailan lang din, noong May lang, bayang karerista. Tara, let's go!
Says red green, that's the begin. Moving up now on the outside is Manila, the Bay, King James in the middle portion. Then followed by counter-attack, Madam Mayhem, and trailing the group is Daily Burn. Red Queen, the leader by a length. Manila, the Bay in second. Counter-attack in third and in fourth position, King James. Then followed by Madam Mayhem and Daily Burn still racing in last. And still Red Queen goes on by about 2 lengths. Manila, the Bay still in second. Counter-attack, rushing up on the outside third. And in fourth, King James, Madam Mayhem, and Daily Burn inside the backstretch. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Manila, the Bay is running by the counter-attack. Red Queen is running by the third, King James, then followed by Madam Mayhem and Daily Burn. And it's still counter-attack. Manila, the Bay in the middle. Red Queen is running by the counter-attack. Manila, the Bay fighting it out for the lead. Red Queen counter-attack now takes the lead, running by the is Manila, the Bay, and in third, Red Queen, Madam Mayhem with counter-attack. Now by Alain Ganahaba, Manila, the Bay still in second, Red Queen, Madam Mayhem as the field turns for home. It's still counter-attack by about 3 lengths now. Manila, the Bay still in second, and it's still counter-attack by about 4 lengths now. Manila, the Bay moving up, Daily Burn on the outside. It's still counter-attack over Manila, the Bay. Daily Burn, King James down on the inside. And along the finish line, it's counter-attack. Second is Daily Burn, Manila, the Bay.
At yun nga po yung naganap na laban nila. 1,600 meters pala yun doon sa may kabilang karerahan ng MMTCI noong May 3. May 3 nga yun, bayang karerista, kung saan ay nadyamado nga si counter-attack at dihado naman pumuro kasi Daily Burn dyan, bayang karerista. Sakay ni Jim Ciego si Daily Burn. At nakita nyo naman, di ba? Layo na nalo ni counter-attack. 1,600 meters pa yun, bayang karerista. At talagang nabawian sila ni Daily Burn, counter-attack at si Pirate. At talagang ganon, bayang karerista. At si Super Majority naman, tara, pasakitin uli natin yung mata natin kay Super Majority.
Oh, way to go, is going to stride. That's number 3 horse, Perfect Blue. It's Pay the Line, he's the leader in here, the start of the race. Secret Hideaway showing speed as well. Right behind in third is the 7 Cycles. 2 lengths behind in fourth position is the favorite Super Majority. Jean Jenny second last. And last of all is Perfect Blue by some 7 to 10 lengths from top to bottom. So down the back stretch run. Pay the Line Pay the Line, the leader by 2 lengths, and Secret Hideaway quietly second spot. And a very close third now by what a length and a half in third is a 7 cycles. Then right behind in fourth is a Perfect Blue. Up in fourth, or that's number 6 or Super Majority. Up in fourth now is a Jean Jetty. And past approaching now is Perfect Blue by some 7 to 8 lengths from top to bottom. And around the fourth turn, Pay the Line is still dictates the pace against Secret Hideaway. Here comes 7 cycles in a hard-ridden Jean Jetty together with Super Majority and Perfect Blue. Now arriving to the race, and they're up the stretch, a long shot. And that is Pay the Line. Pay the Line is still the leader, and by some lengths from Secret Hideaway. Running by the rail is Jean Jetty, but it's still Pay the Line. Pay the Line in a safe margin in the first race, and it's all upset winner for Pay the Line. A wire-to-wire finish. Secret Hideaway was second, close for third between 7 cycles. Jean Jetty.
So yun, bayang karerista, talagang masakit sa mata si Super Majority. At ayan nga, di rin kasi mas maganda naging labas ni Super Majority, pero sabi nga nila, bayang karerista, 1.25 daw ang tinapos ni Pay the Line, at talagang hindi daw kayang talunin ni Super Majority. Yun nga lang, hindi nga lang siya nakita, bayang karerista. Hindi tumimbang sa quartet si Super Majority. Ayan, no, nasa hulihan siya at talagang halos hindi man gumalaw, bayang karerista. At ito si Pay the Line, wala pang nakalutsya, walang nakasabay, kaya yun nga, 1.25 nga ang naitala niyan sa 1,400, bayang karerista. Pero kung naisabay na maganda to si Super Majority, siguro naman kahit forecast tercero, possible yan. So ganun talaga, bayang karerista, at yun namang mga ganitong pangyayari sa karera, hindi naman na po bago sa atin. So tayo din po yung maapektuhan yan pag nag-init yung ulo natin. So palagi ko nga po sinasabi, good vibes lang tayo palagi sa karera. Talagang ganun, may nananalo, may natatalo. Kaya nga may bukas pa. So bawi na lang po talaga tayo, at wag po tayong magalit sa mga jockey, dahil yan naman pong mga yan madalas napag-uutusan lang din, o minsan masama talaga yung kondisyon ng kabayo, pero malalaman din natin naman sa kanilang mga tinatakbo. So maraming salamat po, at good vibes lang po tayo palagi, bayang karerista, ha? At kita-kita po tayo bukas para sa programa ng pang Miyerkules. Good luck po.